Molecular biology. Chargaff's rules are a set of observations he made about the base pairing in DNA. Here are the 4 main points of Chargaff's rules. 1. The amount of adenine, A, is equal to the amount of thymine, T, in a DNA molecule, and the amount of guanine, G, is equal to the amount of cytosine, C. This rule is often referred to as base pairing. In other words, A always pairs with T, and G always pairs with C. 2. This observation suggests that there is a specific relationship between the base pairs in DNA. The ratio of adenine to thymine and the ratio of guanine to cytosine can vary among different species. However, within a particular species, the ratios are consistent. 3. The total amount of purines, adenine and guanine, is equal to the total amount of pyrimidines, thymine and cytosine. This rule means that the combined amount of A and G is equal to the combined amount of T and C in a DNA molecule. 4. The composition of DNA differs between species. Chargaff found that the relative amounts of A, T, G, and C varied between different organisms. For example, the DNA of humans has a different base composition compared to other organisms like bacteria or plants. These 4 points, collectively known as Chargaff's rules, provided valuable insights that eventually led to the discovery of the double helix structure of DNA and the development of the Watson-Crick model of DNA replication. Thanks for watching.